Hello everyone. Today we are going to read a play named The Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov, a Russian playwright and short story writer who was born on 29th January 1860 and died on 15th July 1904. Some of his important plays include The Cherry Orchard, Three Sisters, The Wood Demon, and The Seagull. So this play revolves around three important characters. Those are Stepan Chukov, Ivan Lomov, and Chukov's daughter Natalia. So the what is the main theme of this poem is that how rich families, that though rich families, they want to get married in only the rich or wealthy families to extend to increase their economic status. May not be there may not be any affection, any love, or any feelings between them, but in order to extend their economic status, they only get married in the wealthy families. So that is the main theme of this play. So let's see. So the proposal. So the proposal is set in Chupkov's house. So Lomov, a young man, enters. Then Chupkov, the Natalia's father, greets him, and Chupkov, who is a landowner, is extremely happy to meet Lomov, and he asks him to sit down. He also asks him where he is going on the evening dress. Then Lomov tells him that he has come to meet him, and a little bit he was also a little bit excited and a little bit nervous all this at the same time. So when he was asked that what was the reason of his coming, then finally he told that Lomov told to Chupkov that he has come with a marriage proposal, that with Natalia, that his daughter. Then Chupkov, Natalia's father, is greatly excited to hear this proposal, because Chupkov also wanted to have wanted to get her daughter married to a wealthy person like Lomov. So Chupkov embraces and Lomov for it, and he became very happy for the proposal. Then he says that he always wanted that Lomov asks him if you should think that he gives his consent. So finally, Chupkov gave his consent for the proposal. So by the meantime that Natalia enters, then Lomov trembles due to great excitement, and because he is beautiful and well educated, and he should lead a quiet and regular life with her. Then Lomov tries to tell her the purpose behind the visit, but Lomov was unable to tell the reason of his coming. So he tells her that he has known her family. So here the turning point, it is the main part of the play. So the discussion started between Lomov and Natalia. So in the discussion, Lomov started talking about the meadows, the oxen meadows. So this is one important point. This discussion is based on oxen meadows. So Lomov told that he inherited his land and how he respects Natalia's father. He tells her that his oxen meadows touch Natalia's virtue, and over this issue they fight verbally. So what was the reason of their fighting? Lomov told that the oxen meadows, oxen meadows belongs to him, whereas Natalia also, she also started fighting with Lomov that no, it doesn't belong to you, it belongs to my ancestors, my fathers, my ancestors. So the fighting started by they fought on the first reason, that is based on oxen meadows. Then Lomov offers to make a present to Natalia. Natalia gets angry. Present means that oxen meadows. So Chupkov at that time enters, and Natalia asks him to tell Lomov that oxen meadows are theirs. Then Chupkov enters, and suddenly Natalia told her father that Lomov is telling that oxen meadows belong to their ancestors. So it actually doesn't. It belongs to us. So Lomov challenges this. Chupkov clarifies that by shouting, Lomov won't prove the ownership. He accuses Lomov of speaking disrespectfully to him, as he is twice his. Then Chopkov also told to Lomov that he should not talk, he should lower his voice down, because will that in fighting the matter cannot be solved. Then Lomov threatens to take Chopkov to court. They exchange abuses, calling that Lomov's grandfather was a drunkard. So in this way the fighting carried on. So Chopkov tells his daughter that Lomov had come to propose her for marriage. This again another turning point. So after the matter of Oxen Meadows, then Chopkov told to Natalia that Lomov came to marry Natalia. So all of a sudden her mood got changed. Earlier she was very angry on Lomov. So now when she came to know that Lomov and such a wealthy person, he has come to marry her, then her mood got changed. So she started weeping at having refused such a good match. She asked Chopkov to bring him back at once. So suddenly she requested her father to bring Lomov back, because she did not want to lose Lomov because Lomov was a rich person. Then Lomov enters. Natalia begs to be excused. She tells him that the meadows are his. Then finally she agreed with that Oxen Meadows belong to Lomov's ancestors. The talk now centers on dog. The second they discussed on other issues, and again another basing on other issue, again another disturbance started, and that was on dogs. First one on Oxen Meadows, second fighting was based on dogs. So Lomov tells Natalia that his best dog Guess cost him 125 rubles. Natalia calls it too much, as her father gave 85 rubles for his Squeezer. Squeezer is better than his dog. Then she told that her dog Squeezer is better than Lomov's dog. So the fighting again continued, basing on their dogs. So Lomov's in between that the Lomov calls his Guess better. Natalia calls hers better. So she told my dog is better. Then Lomov told my dog is better. So the fighting again carried on. So Lomov's heart gets palpitating. He says that his heart is going to pieces. Chopkov enters. He asks what the matter is. Chopkov also adds that Lomov's dog Guess is old and short. So in between Lomov speaks about the condition. So due to the quarrelsome situation, Lomov suddenly felt something awkward in his heart. He felt that a little bit unusual in his heart. So after hurling abuses at each other, Lomov falls down. So suddenly after the discussion, Lomov falls down. Natalia asks her father that what has happened to Lomov. Then Chopkov also feels sick as he cannot breathe. Chopkov asks what the matter is. Natalia says that Lomov is dead. At this, Chopkov calls for water and a doctor. Then Chopkov starts accusing himself. Soon Lomov revives. Then Lomov then he felt a little bit better. Chopkov asks him to hurry up and get married. So finally Chopkov he understood that if they will carry on discussing something, so surely the both Lomov and Natalia they will surely they will fight between themselves. So it's better that let them get married. So Chopkov asks him to hurry up and get married. Natalia is also willing to marry him. Chopkov asks him to kiss each other. Chopkov feels that a weight has come off his shoulder, and he celebrates. So finally Chopkov what he did, that he understood that these two people they will only quarrel because what is the reason between all these fightings, that is they did not have any affections towards each other, only that Lomov wants to marry that pretty educated, highly educated girl Natalia, and Natalia also wanted to marry Lomov as he was a wealthy person. So though this is the means now the playwright he has shown what he wants to depict through this story that Natalia comes to know of Ivan's intention to marry, but her good economic sense takes over and he accepts the proposal, though she had no affection, no feelings towards Lomov. The proposal is prompted not by any romantic feelings but by sound of economic sense, as the marriage alliance will bring more wealth to both the families. So this is the important theme of this play. Though they did not have any affections towards each other, in order to extend the economic status of each other, they only wanted to marry. So hope children you understood the main theme of this play, The Proposal. Thank you.